Kayo ba ay nanonood ng anime or nagbabasa ng manga, lalo na yung mga tinatawag na shonen anime or shonen manga? Kung oo, baka magustuhan nyo yung bagong labas na manga na tinatawag na Kagurabachi. Kalalabas pa lang nung manga na to nung September, so bagong-bago lang siya. Sa ngayon, meron pa lang siyang 9 chapters. Hindi katulad nung Boruto 2 Blue Vortex na hanggang ngayon 3 chapters pa rin. Ang tagal ng release. Kagurabachi is about the son of a swordsmith, Chihiro. During a certain war, yung swordsmith na yon gumawa siya ng 6 enchanted blades at nakatulong yung enchanted blades na yon para matigil yung war. After the war, kinolect niya ulit lahat ng 6 enchanted blades tapos tinago niya dun sa bahay nila. However, a group of sorcerers went to their place, killed Chihiro's father and took the 6 enchanted blades. After 38 months, sinimulan na ni Chihiro na kunin muli ang mga enchanted blades. And he does this using the 7th enchanted blade and in the process eliminating some sorcerers. Yun basically ang premise ng manga. And so far nagagandahan ako, so it's a recommendation. If you want to give it a read, pwede kayong mag-download ng Shonen Jump na app. Pero yung latest 3 chapters lang ang free to read. Kaya kailangan nyo i-avail yung free trial if you haven't already para mabasa nyo yung mga naunang chapters. Or you could always beep, malay nyo meron dun. Usually meron naman talaga dun. So, read.